By the end of this video, you will know how to share or resend a HoneyBook invoice. Start in HoneyBook and go to Projects. From there, open the project that contains the invoice you want to send again or share with a direct link. If you have several projects open often, take a moment to confirm that you are in the correct one before moving forward. That helps you avoid opening the wrong invoice and sending the wrong file. Once you are inside the project, look for the invoice in either the Activity tab or the Files tab. Both places can lead you to the same invoice, so use whichever view shows it most clearly in your project. Click the invoice to open it. This takes you to the Invoice File Summary page, where you can review the file and access the sharing options. After the invoice page opens, move to the upper right corner of that page and click Share. This opens the Share File window, which is where HoneyBook gives you two ways to send the invoice out again. One option is for email, and the other is for a direct link. In the Share File window, choose the method that fits how you want to send the invoice. If you want HoneyBook to resend the invoice by email, select Send Email. If you want to send the invoice another way, choose Copy Link instead. The path changes slightly here, but both options begin from the same Share button on the invoice page. If you choose Send Email, review the recipient shown in the email window before sending anything. Make sure the invoice is going to the intended client. If needed, add a subject line or include a short message in the email so the recipient has context when it arrives. Once everything looks correct, click Send to resend the invoice by email. If you choose Copy Link, HoneyBook will generate a direct link for that invoice. Copy the link, then share it with your client through the communication method you prefer. Since the link comes from the invoice itself, this option is useful when you do not want to resend through the email tool in HoneyBook but still need to provide access to the same invoice. The main thing to remember is that both methods start by opening the correct project, opening the invoice from Activity or Files, and selecting Share from the upper right of the invoice page. From there, you either send the invoice through email or copy the link, depending on how you want to deliver it. Your HoneyBook invoice has now been shared or resent using email or a direct link.